Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has suffered today again, and I have taken the bullish breakout count off the chart already earlier today. It is probably now going to come down to around about 1780 at least, if not lower. The count is not really changed. It hasn't changed a lot. I've literally only removed the bullish breakout count, and the short-term bearish scenario is back on the chart, or is still on the chart. It was never gone. The idea is now that due to the strong sell-off here, this would be a WXY. That was the case before, but the subwave structure is slightly different. One second, the Y wave needs to be here. In that it's just an A, B, C which is playing out, and now probably here in the C wave. Now 1778 is going to be relevant support, but I don't necessarily trust it will stop there. So we have $15 below that as relevant support. I just haven't moved the support area over. If 1778 breaks, which certainly is likely at this stage, then we are probably going to see either $15 or even 12. I would rather say around about 15. And if we take targets, because we can obviously measure the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, then if we're looking at the 100% extension, which is a common target, it would point us to around about 1675. So that's just above the 10th of March low. Let's see if we get there. Again, 1778, I would at least expect a bit of a reaction. If we don't see that, it may come quite quickly to 1675 and then probably $15. If we break below $17.80, and that's been a support area that I've been talking about for weeks, then I will just have to change the wave count. I mean, if it goes below that level, again, this particular 1-2 setup is not going to be invalidated, but the break below $17.80 will make it very likely that this 1-2 setup isn't going to work out. And as I said before, if we break below $17.80, it would not be bearish necessarily. It would just mean that we have to change the overall wave count a little bit, in that the wave 2 that we currently have as being finished on the 10th of March, that would just reset over here. And therefore the support area that was relevant back then will become relevant again. And that's why I highlight to you, $17.80 is the last reliable bullish support for a structure that we're counting as a 1-2-1-2 setup. But below that 1780 level, it's going to be wave 1, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, or WXY. And then it's very likely that we at least go sort of into the region around the 10th of March low, if not a little lower. And then that's the $15 level, which would then be the golden ratio, the 61.8 Fib retracement. Yeah, but also here, the message is, we're dropping until we see a signal. We had a potential signal here, yeah, but due to the last wave up here, it became a 3-wave move and is losing out again, unfortunately. So Solana was one of the few where we explored a possible turnaround, unfortunately also failed. So yeah, the levels are now well known. A very good signal that the turnaround happens and that we are turning around and that we are rallying in a third wave would be a break above the B wave high at $22.30. At the moment, obviously, it's suffering as well. Let's, by the way, look at the indicators. 4-hour chart completely oversold now. So I think in the next few days, we at least see a bit of a relief rally. The daily chart shows a bit of a bullish divergence between that low and that low. Yeah, you have a bullish divergence, but obviously this hasn't finished yet. So if it comes down a little lower, it could make a new low on the RSI. But we're not oversold yet on the daily RSI, so it still has a little bit of space. Looking at this, it appears to me that, okay, if we come down to around about 30, yeah, we obviously still have space, so it could maybe match with roughly the $15 level that I highlighted. Yeah, that's my update about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye. Bye.